That's right, folks. It's soaked. It's soaked. Good little bike though. Seriously? It warned me about this. Oh dear. And there's the fix. Disconnect the side stand switch. Leo owns the bike, did warn me about that, and as you will have seen earlier, that got me in a lot of trouble. Nearly got me off the road, so there we go, we got some life. Hello folks, welcome back to the channel, to this Works in the USA special. And I got absolutely soaked earlier, so I didn't film anything when I got back to the hotel. I had a bit of a nap, bit of a chill out, and I am now going to make my way back across Tampa Bay. My day hasn't exactly, my few days haven't panned out exactly as I expected, but we're going to make the absolute most of it. And as you've seen, I went to Burt's Barracuda this morning, I think it was. And the second I walked in there, the heavens opened, and byproduct of Hurricane Ian, which has probably not had much impact on Tampa. You can see from being out and about anyway, but yeah, it seems the water table and the drainage still isn't quite back on form, so it was heavy rain, and they've all got steel roofs over there, so the water runs straight off. So it's an immediate downpour of how many square feet into there, and it was up the doors and running in, and they were pushing bikes out the way and all sorts. So I promptly made my way out of there through giant puddles on instruction of somebody who was working there, to across the OCC Roadhouse, where they told me I could have lunch. Got there, all the lights are off, and the power out. Still managed to get my lunch, so one good thing there. And well, I sat eating lunch, but eventually the power did come back on, and the TV's powered up. Some were playing sports, and a couple of them were on like a rolling loop of the various things that happen at Burt's Barracuda and OCC Roadhouse. They've got a big live stage and all sorts. And one thing I noticed was they said bike night every Thursday. So as a result, I thought, get the old Royal Enfield out. It is currently just after 7 o'clock in the evening, and let's go and see what an American bike meet's all about, because those back in England can get a little bit sketchy, so see what the Americans can do. I have to say, I'm going to do a full video on the Royal Enfield tomorrow. That's my plan. I'll find a nice spot to head out to, and we'll going to have a good chat about it after I've lived with it for, well, it'll be just over 24 hours, but yeah. I'll say though, thus far, a few things, but quite impressed. What these fetch in the UK, they are a surprisingly good bike. One thing I can say about Tampa, everywhere you go, and I mean everywhere, you suddenly get this inhale of green leaf smell. You know, everybody's favourite smell, freshly cut grass, as they say. Cool places, welding shop, just fantastic. See many bikes around. Maybe this is a bust. If it is, we'll find something else to do. Still amazes me though, you got all the traffic lights and wires. Most we have hurricanes. Fair play to the linemen, though, they seem to have got things all back up and in order pretty quickly. Ooh. It is quite nice. We can hope. Car park looks busy-ish. Something's going on. Together, folks. There's not a bike light. Oh yes. There we It's a rental, man. Hey?
How many cc's is that?
500 single. It's a rental.
That's a classic right there.
I love it, man. It's cool, isn't it?
I parked right there, back there.
Welcome to America. So, I guess we get the gear off. The quietest spot I can find. This is absolutely mental. Just on a Thursday night, ride down free, get a drink, get something to eat, walk around the bikes. Absolutely incredible place. My perspective has changed from this morning, I'll definitely say that much. We'll have a quick look around the bikes again. Well, the new bikes that have turned up. And then I'll probably get myself another drink and then get out of here. It's really hard to film over in the main building. It's just that loud, but yeah, good to have you with me. Check out the bikes and I'll see you in the morning.